Opened on September 12, 2005, Hong Kong Disneyland is one of the main attractions of the former British colony. Some even go to Hong Kong just to see Mickey Mouse and his friends. Located on Sunny Bay in Lantau Island, the resort is detached from the city, although it has its own MTR station, which makes it accessible. I'm Bryan. Join me and Aleth as we tour you around our home in the happiest place on earth. Upon entry, we were greeted by cheerful hotel staff and a 4-story high lobby with multiple sitting areas, a piano, and a surprise Disney character. Check-in is at 3 p.m. A security deposit depends on your room category. You can use a credit card or cash for this. If you come early, as we did, you can have the concierge keep your luggage as you head to the theme park using the hotel's shuttle service, which comes every 10 to 15 minutes. You can check in and be given your key cards, but your room number will be ready at check-in time and sent to your registered email.
Hello, happy Pinoy travelers, and welcome to Hong Kong. Nandito tayo sa Disneyland Hotel. Let's check out the Seaview room na may balcony. So, pagpasok mo ng room, sa kanan may banyo agad. Meron dito hot and cold running water na may tub, shower, tapos kumpleto yung amenities pa din. May yung toiletries, nandiyan pa rin yung mga sabon, shampoo, conditioner. Tapos yung toilet, nandyan pa din, kumpleto rin. Ang wala lang is yung razor at saka yung shower cap, which you have to pay for extra. Minimal lang naman. Tapos sa kaliwa, nandito may closet. Tadan! Nandun yung mga robe, mga chinelas, hair dryer, tapos mga sampay ng damit. And when you go forward, yung salamin dito, full body mirror. Sa kaliwa naman, tadan! Mayroon ka na espresso. Actually, bawal na sa Hong Kong ngayon ang single-use plastics. So dito sa Hong Kong Disneyland Hotel, mayroon silang water pero nakalagay sa glass bottles. Nandito yung pang coffee, pang init ng tubig. Sa baba naman, may safe, extra creamer, tsaa, mga sugar, ganyan. Tapos nandun other cups pang bata. Tapos may maliit na refrigerator. Moving forward, mayroon ditong seat na maliit. And because this is a twin room, may dalawang double beds. Mayroon ditong drawers kung saan pwede maglagay ng damit. Ito yung TV na malaki. May writing desk, dalawang silya, and the sea view na sa balcony. Ay, ganda dito. Ang sarap umupo dito. Ang sarap mag-rest after a long day sa Hong Kong Disneyland. So, just follow us. Ikot-ikot tayo the next few days. Tapos, ikot tayo dito sa Disneyland. Follow us for more. See you soon!
We stayed at the 400-room Victorian-style Disneyland Hotel to find out if it's worth the hidden Mickeys. The deluxe Seaview room with balcony is very spacious. You can open your luggage freely. It has twin double beds with Tinkerbell and Fairy Godmother's headboards with hidden Mickey 400-count cotton sheets. An outdoor sitting area where you can hear Snow White's birds chirping while listening to the waves sent by King Neptune. Amenities such as a big TV with all the Disney cartoon channels, an electric kettle, a Nespresso machine with 3 pods refilled daily, 2 glass bottled waters, and single-use plastics have been banned by the government since April 22, 2024, creamer, tea, sugar, and a safe and a refrigerator. Bring an electric adapter for your gadgets, as some sockets are the three-pronged Hong Kong type. The bathroom has a bathtub and shower with hot and cold water, big bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, lots of different size towels, 2 bathrobes, coffee slippers in adult and kid sizes, a hairdryer, and complete toiletries except for the razor and shower cap, which cost extra. Like most hotels in Hong Kong, however, there is no bidet. The hotel is huge. It has 2 restaurants, a Chinese restaurant and the crowd favorite Enchanted Garden, where you can meet some of your favorite Disney characters while you indulge in a sumptuous buffet overgrown with Victorian elegance that includes an extensive lineup of international cuisines, a variety of drinks, assorted salads, appetizers such as cheeses and canapes, and bevy of desserts. There is no need to line up at the theme park to take pictures with Mickey and his friends while having breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Going around isn't a problem for those staying in the Disneyland Hotel. They have a free shuttle that ferries people to and from the theme park, which is about 3 minutes away with an interval of 10 to 15 minutes between shuttles, making it very convenient for the guests who want to return to the hotel for a bit of rest before going back for the evening fireworks. The hotel also has an ATM that accepts international cards for those who need cash. A maze in the garden facing the sea. 2 pools, an indoor pool and an outdoor pool with a slide and a bar. A gym with a sauna. And its very own store complete with Disney merchandise, the same as the ones found in the theme park. Disneyland Hotel is jam-packed with features rivaling the theme park itself. It immerses you in everything Disney that begs you to stay a bit longer and enjoy the hotel. Don't you think it's worth staying in Disneyland Hotel as it multiplies the joy of being in the happiest place on earth? Watch our next video for tips on what to do and other things we discovered as we explored Hong Kong Disneyland. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our new travel happy videos.
Hello? Don't you like this film?